eating fries without feeling guilty. Actifry Express by Tefal. With just 1 spoon of oil and thanks to its exclusive technology, prepare fries quickly and many other recipes. Ideas you can't live without.
Hello and welcome to the Tower Kitchen, where today I have the Airwave low-fat air fryer. This revolutionary product uses air blast technology, meaning you can cook all your favourite meals the healthy way with little or no oil. The Airwave is versatile. Not only can you fry, but you can also use it to bake, roast, grill and even steam. This may sound complicated, but it's actually very easy to use. Place your ingredients into the fryer. If you do need to add oil, then you can use the handy spray bottle which comes included. Then simply close the lid, select your temperature and cooking time, and that's all there is to it. The halogen heating element provides instant heat, so there's no need to wait for the fryer to reach temperature. The Airwave uses 3 different types of cooking: halogen, convection and infrared, to ensure even heat distribution, meaning that food cooks up to 3 times faster than conventional cookers and fryers. And you can view the cooking progress thanks to the glass body, which is also incredibly easy to clean. The air fryer has a generous 17-litre capacity thanks to the extender ring, which is fantastic if you want to use your Airwave to cook multiple elements of your dish at the same time. Tower also give you all the tools you'll need with this great device, so you'll be fully equipped to produce all your favourite meals. The Tower brand prides itself on having over 100 years of quality and design, which is why the Airwave has a 3-year guarantee, meaning it can be a staple part of your healthy lifestyle for years to come. If you're looking for healthy, fast and convenient cooking, then the Tower Airwave low-fat air fryer is for you.